If you're looking for the best drill to improve your draw to first shot time from concealment, this is it. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Today, we're gonna work on a drill that will really help you improve your draw to first shot time. Now, I know when I use that phrase, draw to first shot time, it's something that we're not really sure how that works, how it's measured. In the concealed carry community, that's a phrase that's thrown around a lot. But a silhouette target at 3 yards is very different than an A-zone at 3 yards, or a head box or head circle at 3 yards, or a 3-inch circle at 3 yards. So your draw to first shot really depends on the size of your target, the distance to your target. So today we're gonna work on 3 different size targets with our draw to first shot. And this is really to represent 3 different distances, right? Because that's what we're really working on when we're working on bigger targets versus smaller targets. We're working on building those skills for shooting at things that are closer to us or things that are further away. So this drill is called the trifecta, and it focuses on 3 different speeds. And what I mean by that is you're gonna have to gauge your speed based on the distance or the size of your target. So we're just gonna focus on taking 3 shots. It's just 3 draw to first shots with different size targets. And we're gonna score ourselves based on the time it takes for us to hit that target. And obviously, as the targets get smaller, then we're gonna need a little bit extra time just to be a little bit more careful at that greater distance or at that smaller target. So before we jump into shooting, if you're new to concealed carry or you're just looking for a better way to concealed carry your gun, then check out my free guide to concealment down in the description. All right, let's do this. So we are at 3 yards, and the first one is just a draw to first shot to the A zone. You have 6 basically mulligans that you can use throughout this drill. If you use all 6 with a big target at the beginning, you're not gonna have any extras towards the end. This is really a performance drill, so we wanna see where we're at. And with my draw to first shot in the A zone, I'm looking at somewhere between a 110 to a 125. At 3 yards is where I'm comfortable right now, so that's what I expect to see. When we get to the smaller targets, within an inch of the edge, we're gonna count. Ooh, fumbled there, loosen the hands, it's all good. Did it again. All right, we're losing, we've already lost 2 chances, so we better get this one. All right, and that is right in the center, right next to the A, which tells me I could have probably gone a little faster, but that was a 110.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That was a 110.
So I feel pretty good about that one. So we're gonna stick with that. So we've got 4 more chances to hit these other 2. So the next one is the circle A and the head box. All right, and what I'm looking for with that is about a 0.2 of a second or 0.2, 0.25 difference there. So that was a 148. I feel like I could probably go faster, but I'm gonna move on to the no, I'm gonna do one more. I'll do one more like that. Let's see if we can get a little bit faster. All right, I did fumble to see my sights a little bit, but that was a 132. I feel more comfortable with that. 132. All right, so now we're gonna go to those small black circles. If you're counting, we've got 3 chances left. We're gonna go for the upper left. And that is close, but no cigar. That was a 140. Wow, that was bad. I'm not sure what I did. I think I pressed out and went way over to the left. So this is our last chance. Here we go. Woo! I was getting nervous. And that was a 139. So that's honestly, that's my fastest draw to first shot in that 2-inch circle in this drill. I think the last time I was getting like 144, 145. I'm pretty happy with those. Let's see how they score. My final score on that was an 86.8. And my time was 382 altogether. According to Brian's performance measurement, Anything between a 3.1 and a 4 is expert level. So I'm honestly like absolutely thrilled to death with that. Draw to first shot is something that I've worked on more than anything else. So I know that there are other things like my reloads or like my build drills that's what I really need to improve on. But it is still a challenge for me, as you saw, to hit that little 3-inch circle, because it's simulating a target that's much further away. So it's just a lot more challenging than just throwing it up there and hitting a big target. Try it out and see how you do. And like I always say, you're not competing with me, you're not competing with anybody else, you're competing with you, and you're competing with how you did last time versus how you did this time. So thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below, and let me know what you think of these range videos. Are you having fun like I am, or am I just wasting your time? Let me know in the comments down below. See you next time.